Hello students, let us see uses of carbon. Here graphite fiber, as we discussed already, graphite fiber nothing but graphite what? It is an allotrope of carbon, nothing but what? Carbon. So carbon here graphite fiber means, as you know very well, somewhat thread type. Okay, graphite fibers embedded in plastic material form high strength lightweight composite which are used in the manufacturing of what products such as tennis rackets, fishing rods, aircraft and canoes. So here what happened, for example, as you know very well, here tennis racket is there. Okay, so tennis racket means, as you know very well, it should be lightweight and high strength should be there. So as you know, generally here what happened, if you go for the tennis racket according to price also, lightweight means more price. Okay, so why? Because means they are using some good quality of graphite fibers, so it should be how what? Lightweight and high strength. In that we are using the word graphite fibers. And fishing rod. Fishing rod, as you know very well, it should be what? Lightweight. If it is more weight means you cannot hold for more time. So it should be high strength and lightweight. And aircraft means, already we discussed it, they are capable of flying. So once it is going to fly means it should be what? Lightweight. Canoes means, this is a canoes. Okay, canoes means what? A light narrow boat, nothing but it's a type of boat with pointed ends. Here we have the pointed ends and no keel, propelled with the paddles. Okay, here you can move this one what? By using the paddles. So this is called as what? Canoe. So as you know very well, this should be has to be what? If it's more weight, it will be deep in the water. Okay, it has to be float means it should be what? Lightweight. So we are going to use in the canoes, tennis rod and fishing rod. Okay, sorry, fishing rods and tennis racket. We are going to use what? Graphite fibers. Next, second use what we have, graphite being a good conductor and it is used for the electrodes in batteries and in industrial electrolysis. So as you know very well, graphite having what? One unpaired electron. Why? Because means it is having the sp2 hybridization. Once sp2 means, after that we have the one unhybrid orbitals. This one is one unhybrid orbitals with lone pair of electron. So because of that reason, it is acting as a what? Good conductor. So we are going to use what? Graphite rods. We are using it in the what? We are using as electrodes, and also we are using the what? For electrolysis purpose. Next, a crucible prepared from the graphite are inert to dilute acids and alkalis. Now, what is a crucible means what? A crucible is a vessel or refractory material used for very hard processes like fusing metals. Here, if you see the metal means what? As you know very well, it is in the solid state. Now, I want to convert into liquid. Okay, liquid means you have to go for the high temperature. So if you go for the normal, if you use a normal apparatus, what happen? It can't bear that much of high temperatures. So you have to use the proper vessels. Okay. So here this is we are using the what? Graphite crucibles. These are called as a crucibles. So you can go for the high temperature. How much high temperature means? A metal you can one solid metal you can convert into liquid. So you are going to use what? Graphite crucible, and these are for inert to dilute acids and alkalis. Mean they are not going to react with the what? Acids and alkalis. Next, activated charcoal, being highly porous, is used in absorbing poisonous gases and in water filler to remove organic contaminator. Here, activated charcoal means what? Charcoal thymate is the allotrope of carbon. Now, activated charcoal means charcoal that has been heated or otherwise treated to increase its absorption power. Simply means what happened? Charcoal, they are going for the heating. Okay, to increase its absorption power, nothing but surface area going to be increases. That is called activated charcoal. So because of that, what absorption capacity, what happened? We are going to use for the absorbing poisonous gases and to remove the what? To remove the contaminators from the what? Organic materials. Next one, carbon black is used as a black pigment in blacking and as a filler in automobile tires. Blacking means, here you can see the, okay, we are going to use the black pigment. It is made from the what? Soot. You are going to use the what? Black ink. And filler in automobile tires. Here, what is a filler means? A thin put in a space or container to fill it. Okay. Here we are going to use some space will be there in automobile tires. So that going to fill with the what? We are going to use a carbon black to fill this space. Next, coke is used as a fuel and largely as a reducing agent in metallurgy. Here, what is a coke means? What coke is a solid fuel made from heating the coal in the absence of air, so that the volatile components are driven off. Simple means coal. If you go for the heating, you are going to get the coke. Now, what is the basic difference between the coal and coke is means? Here, coal and coke is that the coal is the natural source and the coke is the what? Derivative product. Simply coal means here this is natural product. It is what coke means you are going to make here. Both are used as a fuel. Here these are we are going to use our solid fuel. Okay, as you know very well, we were using the coal. We are going to generate the what? Power. So they are using the what? Solid fuel. So here but coke contains one higher carbon content than and few impurities. So compared to coal, coke having the what? Carbon percentage will be more and impurities will be less. Okay, why? Because means we are going to heat and so some of the impurities are going to be volatile. Okay, next one is what? Diamond is a precious stone and used in the jewelry. As you know very well, we are going to use the what? Jewelry as a what? Diamond.